Today, we drink outside. Today, we show to you how Balkans party, baby. We party today like it's Balkan apocalypse. Cheers.
Well, we here are southern Russians, you know, so we like to sing. So right now we watched some video of a sexy Russian woman, who is calling the cows with her ancient call. And my companion said it was hot. I said, what the fuck? Calling up cows, that can't be hot. That was fucking magical elf-like shit. You know, this guy can tell you about sexy shit, you can tell. Yeah. He's kind of silent type, except when he's killing people, you know. That's a mask or that he wears when he murders somebody. Here's some wine, mister. Russia! That's how we do it in Russia. I mean, Croatia.
Putevi su mnogi za mene, ali uvek za put ja se spremam. Drotovi me pretresli za drogu, ali droge ni za leka nemam. Nad Mostarom prestale su kiše, muzika je ostala bez glasa. Oj vardare, otpevaj mi pesmu, kako more jadransko talasa. Prevarena žena koja plače, izgubljene ruke koje ljube. Ajde sada, pevaj malo jače. Rekao bih da sam volog brata, istina je da ja čase nemam. Drugi tiho kaskaju kroz život, ja uz prozor pravim sve da tremam.
Što smo bili pijani? Hey! My companion be a little drunk, but that's okay. It's not his first time. He's a man. He knows how to handle this shit, right? Yeah, he's alive. Fuck yeah! Hey!